Hello students, in this class of ours we will study about what is overloading. In electrical circuits we are talking about. So in the previous class we have told that we have two types of circuits. One is lighting circuit. Lighting circuit, 5 ampere of current it can handle up to, and another is power circuit. Power circuit, this can handle a current of up to say 15 amperes. So those electrical appliances whose current consumptions are low are connected into these circuits, and those electrical appliances whose current consumptions are high are connected into these power circuits. Now what is the meaning of overloading? The very simple term we can define in this way is that if a circuit or if your load draws more current through the circuit than the circuit is designed for. Suppose you have a lighting circuit in place and an appliance connected in the lighting circuit is able to draw current more than 5 ampere, or an electrical appliance connected in a power circuit is able to draw more than 15 ampere of current, then we will say, oh, overloading has taken place. Now, why should it take place? Overloading can cause excessive heating and that can cause fire. So this is also hazardous. We don't want this to happen. But in which of the cases this happens? So number one case is, see, we have electrical sockets like this. Please, my drawing is not good, so bear with. Like this, we have 3-pin system. So in an electrical appliance, this is a socket, SOC socket, and if you connect large number of devices into the same socket, behind the socket in this 3-pin, we have one wire for earthing, one is live and another is neutral. So this 3-wire system, there are 2 wires behind this socket through which you are drawing current. One is live, another is neutral. If you connect so many appliances into this, that means you are drawing current for all those appliances. Whatever the current consumption is for all those appliances, that current is being drawn only through these 2 wires. So the overloading will take place. So the first reason for the overloading to take place is if so many electrical appliances are connected to the same socket, then overloading will take place. Second reason for the overloading is if so many electrical appliances whose current consumptions are high, if they are switched on simultaneously. See, in a house there are many devices whose current consumptions are high, and sometimes we need to operate them simultaneously, there is no problem. But don't switch them on simultaneously. At the time of switching on, an appliance draws extra current. For understanding this, you can take it this way. One example, okay, you switch on a bulb and then start the motor. When the bulb was glowing with some brightness, you will see that when motor starts, the brightness of bulb will become bit dim. Its brightness will decrease because initially when the motor started, it drew more current. But later on, just for being in running condition, the motor needs less current. So once motor starts running, then you see the brightness of the bulb is regained or bulb becomes bright again. So this is enough to make you explain this, that at the time of starting, an appliance draws more current than during its normal working. So initially, if there are numerous devices connected into your house and they are high current consuming devices and you switch on simultaneously, so all of them will draw extra current. That may cause overloading. So overloading of electrical appliance can be defined in 2 very simple reasons you can give forth. The one reason is that overloading will take place if so many electrical appliances are connected into the same socket, and the another reason is that if so many high current consuming devices are switched on simultaneously, again overloading will take place, and the meaning of overloading is drawing more current than your circuit is designed to handle. 6 ampere current will overload or not? See, it will definitely overload the one that is handling 5 ampere, but it will not overload the one, that circuit which is handling 15 ampere. So this is how it was to be understood. uh, and overloading cause excessive current. Because of excessive current causes excessive heat, and excessive heat may cause fire. So it is to be avoided.